All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage. Got some decent weather today. I think spring is coming through pretty good. It got up to about, well, when I painted this initially around 11:30 this morning, it was about 67 degrees and about 50% humidity. So it was pretty good conditions to paint. So I got after it. Let me show you what I painted this with here first. I primed it with this, to me, is white surface primer. That's some pretty good stuff right there. I gave it 2 light coats of that, and then I shot it with this TS30 Silver Leaf. I gave that a couple light coats, and then after I got a little trash in the paint after I painted that silver, so I did a little wet sanding with some 10,000 and 12,000, and after I painted the TS74 clear red over it, I could see some dark and light spots, and I think it was where I sanded on that silver. This clear just wasn't covering very heavy. Of course, it's a clear, it's not going to, but it wasn't covering enough for me to cover up those blotchy spots. So I had to end up giving this 3 coats. And I thought it was okay, but I got to looking at it a little bit closer, and I wasn't satisfied. I could see dark spots here and there. So after about 3 hours, I gave it 1 more coat. And I think with the supervision of the cat here, I think all went well. Once this gas is out and cures for a few days, I'm gonna hit it with this TS13 clear. And after that, I don't think I'm gonna wet sand it. I think I'm just going to polish it out. It came out so nice. So I think I'm just going to polish it really good. But I'm really pleased with how it came out. It came out pretty good. Well, it's a good looking red. It really just jumps out at you. There's the hood. But boy, that looks pretty good. So I'm a happy camper. I was a little worried after the 3 coats of that clear red, but after I put that 4th coat on after 3 hours, it covered a lot better. Got rid of those dark and light blotches. So, I mean, it's not a perfect paint job by no means, but you know, it's pretty good for me. So I'm really pleased with it. I always hope for the best and expect the worst when I paint the bodies, because I can paint the hell out of those spoons. Let me get that spoon and show you here. I think this was the one. This was my test spoon. So, and that's after this test spoon only had 2 coats of the red, and the body there has 4 coats. So it's a little bit darker, but it's pretty close. So I think I'm a happy camper. I think the old cat here put the mojo on it and got me a good paint job. That's what I'm going for anyway. All right, fellas, I'm done.